Chapter 1. The Spring Play. Miss Thomas's class is doing a spring play. Kara, Gavin, and Dale are excited. Kara wants to act. Gavin and Dale want to work backstage. Miss Thomas says the play will be fun. The play will be hard work. Students can be actors. Students can help with lights and sound. Lights and sound are important during a play. What happens if the stage is too dark? What happens if the music is too low? The students are confused. Lights help people see the play. The lights cannot be too bright or too dim. People need to hear the actors and the music. The sound cannot be too low. Light and sound are energy. Light and sound both move in waves. Sound waves and light waves move energy. Light and sound come from different places and things, but they both travel fast. They can bounce off things. They can be soaked up by things. Light and sound are the same in some ways, but they are different in other ways. These students will learn more about light and sound. This will help them with their play. These students can't wait to get started. So now use your questions that you're going to answer tomorrow. Miss Thomas's class is doing a spring blank. So look back at your page and what does it say? Miss Thomas's class is doing a spring energy, a spring play, a spring light, a spring sound, or a spring wave. A spring play. Students can help with lights and blank. Lights and energy, lights and light, lights and sound, or lights and wave. Lights and sound. Light and sound both move in blank. Light and sound both move in energy, both move in waves, or move in light. They both move in waves. Sound waves and light waves move blank. They move energy, they move light. They move energy. Blank and sound are the same in some ways. Light and sound.